In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use Quora to promote your business online. So if you want to learn how you can do digital marketing using Quora and get traffic to your business website, then this video is for you. Now I'm sure that you already know that Quora is a Q&A website where people come from various places and ask various questions. And you, like many others, can go ahead and answer these questions. So in this process of questions and answers, how you can do promotion for your business and how you can drive traffic from Quora. Now if we consider search engine in a nutshell, it's basically a place where people type in questions to find answer. And Quora is a website which is full of questions and answers. And that's why whenever you search something in Google, there are many times that you see Quora website links. It means that Google also indexes questions that are posted on Quora. So how we can use all of this as our advantage? So here are a few points that you can do to promote your business online on Quora. And the number one point is to start with an authentic profile. Now, just like any other social media platform, it is very important to have an optimized profile. But with Quora, there is one additional point. Whenever you answer any questions, there is a credential tagline that is visible under your name. So you need to make sure that you use that tagline or that credential section so that people will consider you as an authority in that field. Or maybe you can just put up your website link, or maybe you can put up your YouTube channel URL. So you can use that tagline or that credential section as per your requirement. So use that space wisely because that's the one will be visible to all the people who see your answers or questions. And once you have created a great profile and added all your credentials, then comes the next step. That is searching questions and answering them. So you can search Quora itself and you will find questions in your business category. So you can go ahead and answer them. And how many questions you should answer? It depends how much time you want to dedicate for Quora and see what results you get out of your efforts. So just start by 4 or 5 questions a day and just see how it works for you. Basically, there is no limit, so you can go ahead and answer as many questions as you like until you are providing value and not spamming the platform with your website link. And that is obvious, and our next point, that you should never spam this platform. Otherwise, you will be getting banned yourself in no time. First, you will lose credibility and people know that you are just trying to push your website link and you are not providing value, and the platform will itself block you. So I'm sure nobody wants that. So it's better we use the platform wisely and create the community around your profile and then smartly drive traffic to your website. Now, while searching these questions on Quora and answering them, you can also search some keywords of your business category in Google and see if you get any Quora questions there. And if you do, then make sure you go ahead and answer them and use that particular keyword in the answer itself. And which brings us to the next point, that is using multimedia in answers. Now, while answering these questions, make sure you try to give a very long reply and do a good formatting of the text so that people find it interesting to read. And on top of it, to make it interesting, you can add some images, you can add some memes, and best of it is to add YouTube videos. So if you have a YouTube channel that is promoting your business and you have created some videos which are actually answering the questions of Quora, so you can definitely go ahead and copy paste that video in your answer, and that will be visible in form of an embedded video. And this can give a real boost to your YouTube channel. So instead of putting your website links here and there in your answers, which might look spammy sometimes, it's better you promote your YouTube channel and do the indirect marketing. So wherever it is relevant, you can post the video URL. It will be visible in form of an embedded player. So you get a really good area in the screen of users so that they can click on that video. And with that, you will be able to promote your videos and your YouTube channel, and eventually you will build up an audience on YouTube as well as on Quora. So you don't have to push your website link every time. You can use that to grow your Facebook or YouTube channel. And then comes the next point, that is use of spaces. Now Quora also have a kind of groups like in Facebook, which is known as spaces. So you can create your own space where you can invite people to post question and answer, and then you can leverage that particular space to get traffic to your maybe YouTube channel, to your website, or anything that you want. But again, do not try to push people to your website instantly. You can put up the links smartly so that people don't have to jump out of the platform And as we mentioned in our previous videos, no social media platform want people to go out of their website. So try to engage people on the platform itself and smartly do the marketing of your business. And there is no doubt that by helping others and helping others finding answers to their question is the best way to market your business. So if you have any questions regarding Quora digital marketing and digital marketing in general, make sure you leave a comment below and we will try to answer that as soon as possible. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.